Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to set certain contacts to ring even when your Android phone is in silent mode. If you're tired of missing important calls because your phone is on silent, this is the perfect solution for you. Let's get started. Open the phone app on your device. You can do this by tapping on the phone icon on your home screen. Find the Contacts option. This is usually accessible from the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon. In the Contacts menu, browse through your contact list and tap on the contact you want to set to ring when in silent mode. On the contact information page, press the star icon to add the contact to your favorites. Next, open the Settings app on your phone. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Sound and Vibration section. Scroll down and tap to enable the Do Not Disturb option. Enable Do Not Disturb. Then select Calls and Messages. Select Calls. Tap on Favorite Contacts Only. This will ensure that only your starred contacts can ring when your phone is on silent mode. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching.